Today we are going to continue the examples in the exercise 3.3. That is the examples on the integration by parts. Okay, here. Example. Evaluate here it is the 8th example. Evaluate integral of x into sin square x dx. Okay, now you can find the integral of this. Here the solution, it is a let I is equal to integral of x into sin square x dx. Now it is a product of two functions. You can find the integral of the product of two functions, that is by using the integration by parts, and the formula for the integration by parts, see carefully here, it is a u into v dx is equal to u into integral of v dx minus integral of derivative of u into integral of v. Here it is a formula for the finding the integral of this product of these two functions. Okay, here see carefully, and here rule for the proper choice of the first function and second function, it is L-I-A-T-E. That means the logarithmic, inverse, algebraic, trigonometric and exponential function. Okay, here we take first function as which comes in the first in the serial order of these letters, L-I-A-T-E. Here x is an algebraic function, sin square x it is a trigonometric function. So we can write here algebraic first and trigonometric it is a second function. Okay, it is the first function and it is second function as it is. And we know that the formula for the u into v, here integral of u into v, u into integral of v, u into integral of v. Here see carefully, integral of, we want to find the integral of sin square x. Okay, and sin square it is not a standard function. Now how to find the integral of sin square x? Okay, to find the integral of sin square x we use the formula sin square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x upon 2. Okay, such type of the examples, that is such types of the integrals, that is the sin square x, cos square x, tan square x, cot square x, sin cube x and cos cube x, we have already learned in our lecture number 10. Okay, see carefully. Okay, see the lecture number 10 and watch carefully all the examples, that is the integral of sin square x, integral of cos square x, integral of tan square x, integral of cot square x, integral of sin cube x and cos cube x. Okay, to find the integral of sin square x we use the formula for the sin square x. Okay, now first we use the formula and then integrate. Okay, now here integrate x and sin square x, it is 1 plus cos 2x upon 2. Here it is the formula for the sin square x. Okay, to find the integral of sin square, cos square, tan square, cot sin square, cos square, tan square, cot square and sin cube, cos cube, we use the formulas of that trigonometric function. Okay, here sin square x it is this 1 plus cos 2x upon 2. Now we multiply by x. Here this 1 by 2, see carefully. Okay, here we can write here integral of x by 2 plus x into cos 2x upon 2, see carefully, dx. Okay, we multiply x in both two terms, it is 1 by 2, so it is x by 2 and then x into cos 2x upon 2. Now separate the integrals, see carefully, here it is a 1 by 2 into integral of x dx, because 1 by 2 is a constant, plus again take a common 1 by 2 into integral of x into cos 2x dx. Now there is a two integrals, this is a standard form, we get the integral of x, it is x square by 2, and now here x into cos 2x, that means here we use u into v. Okay, then integral of x, see carefully, it is 1 by 2 as it is, integral of x it is a x square by 2 plus 1 by 2 into integral of this term, Here we use u into v. It is u and it is v. U into v. See carefully. Here u into integral of v minus integral of derivative of u into integral of v. And here it is a dx. Okay, here it is x into sine square x. We use the formula for the sine square x. It is 1 plus cos 2x upon 2. To find the integral of sine square x, we use first formula. It is a trigonometric formula, and then we get two integrals. It is a standard form, and here it is a u into v. By using the integration by parts, it is a formula for the u into v. Okay, it is only express the formula of u into v. Now we integrate. Here it is as it is, x square by 4 plus 1 by 2 into, see carefully here, x into integral of cos 2x. It is sin 2x upon 2, integral of cos 2x, sin 2x upon 2, minus integral of derivative of x, it is 1, and integral of cos 2x, it is sin 2x upon 2 dx. Now here it is x square by 4 plus 1 by 2 into, see carefully here, x into sin 2x upon 2, okay, minus 1 by 2, it is 1 by 2, it is a constant, and integral of sin 2x, it is minus cos 2x upon 2, and now plus c, and now we write the last answer. It is x square by 4 plus we multiply by 1 by 2. Here it is a x into sin 2x upon 4, okay, and here minus we get here plus, here 2 to 4, and here it is a 2, so it is 8. That means cos 2x upon 8 plus c. Okay, here there is a not necessary to write the bracket. Okay, we can multiply this. Here it is the last answer. It is the integral of x into sine square x. First we use the formula for the sine square x. Okay, see carefully. In the integral, to find the integral of sine square x, cos square x, tan square x, cot square x, sin cube x and cos cube x, first we use the trigonometric formula of that function and then integrate. Okay, here such type examples we are learn in our lecture number 10. Okay, now next example. Now next example is example number 9, x cube log x. Here integral of x cube into log x dx. Okay, here see carefully. Here x cube, it is an algebraic function, and log x, it is a logarithmic function. By using the rule of the integration by parts, here logarithmic function comes first and algebraic function comes second. Here L-I-8, L comes first and then after it is a algebraic function. So first we can write this function as it is log x into x cube dx. Okay, and now u into v, it is u and it is v. Log x into integral of x cube dx minus integral of derivative of log x into integral of x cube dx, and it is a dx. It is integral with respect to x and integral with respect to x. Now log x into integral of x cube, it is x to the power 4 upon 4. It is integral of x to the power 3. Okay, x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 minus integral of derivative of log x, it is a 1 by x, and into integral of x cube, it is x to the power 4 upon 4 dx. Then this can be written here, x to the power 4 upon 4 log x, it is, and minus here it is a 1 by 4 can be written in the outside the integral, and here x get cancelled, here we get x cube dx. And now x to the power 4 upon 4 log x minus 1 by 4 into x to the power 4 integral of x cube, x to the power 4 upon 4 and plus c. Now the last answer, it is x to the power 4 upon 4 log x minus x to the power 4 upon 16 plus c. Okay, here it is the last answer, or we can take the common x to the power 4 upon 4. When we common x to the power 4 upon 4, we get log x minus 1 by 4 and plus c. It is the last answer. It is x cube into log x. Okay, by the rule for the proper choice of first function and second function, logarithmic comes first and it is algebraic comes second. Okay. Now we see the next example. Next we take the example number 17. Integral of x into cos cube x dx. Again it is the same as our first example. Our first example, it is x into sin square x, and it is x into cos cube x. Here it is an algebraic trigonometric. We can find by u into phi. We can find the integral of phi. Here integral of cos cube x. And again to find the integral of cos cube x, we use the formula for the cos cube x. And formula for the cos cube x, it is used by using the formula cos 3 theta. Okay, the formula for the cos 3 theta, it is a 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Okay, here therefore the formula for the cos cube x, it is, see carefully, 3 cos x plus cos 3x upon 4. Okay, it is the formula for the cos cube x. Again this example, that is the integral of cos cube x, we will learn in our lecture number 10. Watch carefully first the lecture number 10 and then this example. Okay, here now here by u into v, first we use the formula for the cos cube x. Therefore it is x into 3 cos x plus cos 3x upon 4 dx. Now it is a 4, we can write the outside, it is a 1 by 4 into integral of, see carefully, 3 x into cos x plus x into cos 3x dx. You can multiply by x. Okay, there are here x into cos x and here x into cos 3x. There are, when we separate, we get two integrals, and both the integrals we can solve by using integration by parts, or we can take only 1/4 common and x, and this bracket total 3 cos x plus cos 3x take as a phi. Okay, there is a simple method. It is a u, and the bracket when we are outside the 4, it is phi. Okay, u into phi. Okay, simple procedure. Okay, or we can separate, and by using the separate method here, it is one integral and it is second integral, and we get both integrals by using u into phi. Okay, here we can write here 1/4, see carefully, into, we can separate integral 3 into integral of x into cos x dx, and plus integral of x into cos 3x dx. Okay, here 1/4 into these two integrals. 3 is a multiple only for this integral. Okay, and here it is here. Now here we use u into v, and again here we use u into v. See carefully this. It is a 1/4. Okay, into 3 into, see carefully, u into integral of phi minus integral of derivative of u into integral of phi. Okay, and dx. Here it is only the integral of first term by using u into v, u into integral of phi minus integral of derivative of u into integral of phi. Now it is a plus. Again here we can write the integral of this term, plus x into integral of cos 3x minus integral of derivative of u into integral of phi. Okay, here see carefully. These are the two integrals. Here we use u into v, and again we use u into v. Now it is 1/4 into, see carefully, 3 into x into sin x minus, it is x into sin x minus, here integral of derivative of x, it is a 1, and integral of cos x, it is a sin x. 1 into sin x dx. It is a first term. Okay, and plus, we can write here x into integral of cos 3x, it is sin 3x upon 3. Okay, minus integral of 1 into sin 3x upon 3 dx. Okay, and now here see carefully, it is a 1/4 into 3 into x sin x minus cos x. Okay, integral of sin x, it is minus cos x. It is the first term. Now plus, here it is x into sin 3x upon 3. Okay, minus 1/3 into, again, integral of sin 3x, it is minus cos 3x upon 3. Here see carefully. Okay, here first two term, it is the integral of this, and then it is the last two term. Now we can write here, then 1/4 into 3. Okay, 3 into x sin x plus 3 cos x. 3 into x sin x and 3 into, it is a plus cos x, and then plus, see carefully, last two term here, these two terms, plus we can write here x into sine 3x upon 3, and here this minus and this minus get plus, and it is cos 3x upon 9 and plus c. Okay, it is the last answer. Okay, see carefully. 1 by 4, 3x into sin x plus cos 3 cos x plus x into sin 3x upon 3 plus cos 3x upon 9. Here it is a plus cos 3x and it is upon 9. See carefully this. Okay, here it is the integral of x into cos cube x. Now you can see the next example. Here, this example can also we solve. Here we can separate integral. See carefully here. Here, this example, it is integral of x into cos cube x dx. We use this formula. Then we can only take 1 by 4 and into x into 3 cos x plus cos 3x dx. Okay. In our last solution, we can separately multiply, separate integral and separate of two integral. We use the integration by parts. Here we integration by parts only once. Here it is u and it is v. So here 1 by 4 into u into integral of 3 cos x plus cos 3x dx minus integral of derivative of x and into integral of 3 cos x plus cos 3x dx, and it is dx. Okay. Here it is u and it is phi, and then by taking integral 1 by 4 into x as it is, integral of this term, it is 3, see carefully, 3 sin x plus sin 3x upon 3 minus, it is integral of this term, minus integral of derivative of it is 1, and here integral 3 sin x plus sin 3x upon 3 dx, and again integrate, we get the same answer as a last answer. Okay, here this one step and minus integral of 3 sin x, it is minus 3 cos x, and plus it is 1 by 3, and integral of sin 3x, it is minus cos 3x upon 3. Okay, here तुम्ही या टाइप नो प्रॉब्लेम करून पहा. ओके, इट इज u and it is v. ओके, here सेपरेट दोन इंटिग्रेशन काढण्याच्या ऐवजी काय करणार, सरळ एकाला u आणि एकाला v, म्हणजे एकदाच u into v चा फॉर्म्युला यूज करा आणि दोन्हीने आन्सर सेमच येणार. ओके, आता याच्यानंतर आणखीन फक्त 2 स्टेप लिहा, तुमचा डायरेक्ट आन्सर येते. दोनदा फॉर्म्युला यूज करायची गरज नाही या टाईपनुसार. ओके, मग या मेथडनं करा किंवा मागच्या मेथडनं करा. ओके, दोन्हीपैकी कोणत्याही मेथडनं करा, आन्सर सेम येते. ओके, नाव आणि हे करून पहा. Now then next example, it is example number 20. Integral of x into sin 2x into cos 5x dx. Now See carefully here, u into v into w. Okay, there is no rule for the integral of u into v into w. Okay, in the derivative there is a rule for the u into v and the rule for u into v into w. Okay, in the differentiation. Okay, but in the integral there is only one rule, that is the u into v. There are the three functions. Okay, we convert these three functions into two functions. Okay, here u into v into w, but here u and it is convert this term into v. Okay, that is a one term or addition or subtraction, but here it is a multiplication. Okay, here it is a sin 2x into cos 5x. We know the trigonometric formula. Here sin a into cos b, it is 1 by 2. See carefully, sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. Okay, it is the formula for sin a into b. Here it is a product convert into the addition or subtraction. Here we convert into addition. Now here these two terms are in the product, we convert these two terms in the addition or subtraction. Here we convert this in the addition. See carefully. Therefore we can write integral of x into here 1 by 2. See carefully, sin 2x plus 5x plus sin 2x minus 5x dx. We get here it is a 1 by 2 integral of x into sin 7x and plus sin minus 3x dx. Here these two terms can be written. See carefully here, it is a 1 by 2 into integral of x into sin 7x minus sin 3x. Okay, here sin minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. Now as a last example, we multiply x into sin 7x and x into sin 3x, and then we get two integrals, and both the integrals solved by using the integration by parts. Okay, if we multiply by x to both the terms, then we use the 2 times the formula u into v, and we can write as it is x into this, that is it is u and it is v. Then we can only one times use, that is the u into v. Here u into v. Here if multiply, we get 2 integral and solve 2 integral by using the integration by parts, u into v. Here we can directly integrate, it is u and it is v. See carefully this. Okay, here it is a 1 by 2 into, it is u into integral of sin 7x minus sin 3x dx. It is the integral of u into integral of v minus integral of derivative of u into integral of sin 7x minus sin 3x dx. It is dx for this integral, and here we can write dx. Okay, in bracket close. Okay, u into v, u into integral of v minus integral of derivative of u into integral of v. Now we calculate this. It is 1 by 2 into, here x as it is. See carefully, it is minus cos 7x upon 7 minus cos 3x upon 3. Okay, see carefully. Okay, it is integral of sin x, it is a minus cos x, but here sin 7x, therefore minus cos 7x upon 7, it is minus as it is, and then sin 3x, it is minus cos 3x upon 3. Now it is integral, it is 1 into, again same integral of sin 7x, it is minus cos 7x upon 7 minus cos 3x upon 3 and dx. Okay. Now this can be written as 1 by 2 into here, okay, x, it is minus x into cos 7x upon 7, okay, multiply by x, and here minus plus x into cos 3x upon 3. Okay, only multiply by x. And now second term, see carefully this, it is minus, okay, we can take this minus common, so here it is a plus, okay, and then here integral, see carefully, integral of cos 7x upon 7 and minus cos 3x upon 3 dx. Okay, here we can take only this minus common, okay, baki as it is. And now the last step is, it is 1 by 2, here minus x into cos 7x upon 7 plus x into cos 3x upon 3, and here plus take the integral of cos x. Integral of cos x, it is a sin x, but here integral of cos 7x, it is sin 7x upon 7, and already it is upon 7, so you can directly write here 49. Again minus sin 3x, integral of cos 3x, it is a sin 3x upon 3, already here in denominator 3, therefore it is 9, and then here plus c. It is our last answer. Okay, here when we here multiply and use 2 times the integral, it is a lengthy procedure. We can calculate by this method in the last example. Last example, that is x into cos cube x. We can also integrate using this type. First it is u and v. Only one time use the integration by parts, that is a u into v, only one time. Okay, here we also use the integration by parts, that is a u into v, in 2 times, that is x into cos 7x separately solve, and integral of x into sin 3x separately solve. Okay, x into sin 7x and x into sin 3x separately integrate. Okay, we get again same answer. Here we can use it is u and it is v and directly solve. Okay, डायरेक्ट सॉल्व केलं कमी स्टेपमध्ये आलं. मागचा प्रॉब्लेम सुद्धा तुम्ही या मेथडनं सॉल्व करा, कमी स्टेपमध्ये येऊन जाईल आन्सर. ओके, आन्सर तेच येईल. ओके, केअरफुली पहा. हिअर यू इंटू व्हीचा फॉर्म्युला आणि रूल फॉर द प्रॉपर चॉईस ऑफ द फर्स्ट फंक्शन अँड सेकंड फंक्शन. आणि याच्यात आणखीन काय यूज केलं आपण, ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फॉर्म्युले. इथे एक ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फॉर्म्युला साइन ए इंटू साइन बीचा यूज केला आहे, सॉरी साइन ए इंटू कॉस बी. आणि त्याच्यानंतर इंटिग्रल्स ऑफ साइन स्क्वेअर एक्स अँड कॉस क्यूब एक्स. ओके, to find the integral of sin square x and cos cube x, we use the formula of the sin square and cos cube x. Okay, see carefully all the examples.